BMW has just unveiled a highly anticipated fourth generation of the X3, showcasing its stunning redesign. Get ready to dive into the future of luxury SUVs with the latest from BMW. Stay tuned as we explore the groundbreaking features and sleek new look that redefine driving excellence. This is more than just a car, it's a statement of innovation and style. After a 7-year production run, the third generation BMW X3, known as the G01, is set to be discontinued. However, it won't fade into oblivion. Instead, it'll pave the way for the all-new 4th generation G45 X3. Expected as a 2025 model, the latest X3 was officially unveiled online, showcasing its fresh design and comprehensive overhaul. The X3 has consistently been one of BMW's top-selling models. Back in 2003, BMW introduced the first X3 with the E83 generation. It quickly gained popularity, serving as a more compact and affordable alternative to the successful X5. Fast forward over 20 years and 4 generations later, the BMW X3 remains true to its winning formula. While the term all-new is often overused in automotive marketing, the new X3 genuinely deserves that label. It boasts a ground-up redesign utilizing the same car or cluster architecture modular platform found in other BMW models like the outgoing X3, X5, and X7. Notable updates include fresh sheet metal, a redesigned interior, updated powertrains, and advanced technology, including BMW's latest curved display and iDrive 8.5. The upcoming next-generation BMW X3, known as the G45, draws design inspiration from the larger XM crossover rather than its immediate predecessor, the X5. As a result, the X3's conventional two-box shape undergoes a significant transformation. The new X3 features cleaner body panels with fewer creases, curves, and bends. While adhering to the overall corporate design theme seen in previous models, the X3 now boasts larger kidney grilles, streamlined head and tail lights, flatter door panels, and a more squared-off appearance. Notably, the front lower fascia's air intakes are also larger, complementing the expanded kidney grilles. Similar to the outgoing X3, the new X3 offers 2 powertrain options. The base X3 30 xDrive features an updated version of BMW's 2.0-liter twin-power turbocharged gasoline engine B48. It now produces 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, an improvement over the previous base model's 248 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking more performance, there's the X3 M50 xDrive, equipped with BMW's renowned inline-6 engine B58 in its latest 3.0-liter form. This powerhouse delivers impressive 393 horsepower and 428 pound-feet of torque, up from the previous 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet. Both X3 variants come with a ZF Source Steptronic 8-speed automatic transmission. The 2025 X3 30 xDrive starts at $49,500, while the X3 M50 xDrive is priced at $64,100, excluding the mandatory $1,175 destination and handling fee. Join our vibrant community and be in the know by subscribing to our channel for the latest news and captivating content. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay tuned to all the excitement unfolding. Don't miss out on becoming a part of our ever-growing family of informed and engaged viewers.